Hi cuties, welcome back to my channel. I have so many books right here. Look at how many books. So excited. Ah, Cannot contain my excitement. I am also a little bit scared because I do not know how I'm gonna organize all this, and even if all these books are going to fit, and I have no idea how many books I have. I'm gonna guess it's like more than 200, and you can comment down below how many books do you think I have. Okay, so this is what we are working with. I have already made piles. I am getting overwhelmed already. But we have to do this today. Let's get started. I do not have an aesthetic section, but I have this bookshelf and I have this cart which is a little bit broken, but it's okay, it's gonna do for right now. And it has all the new books that I've accumulated, which I'm gonna show you. But yeah, I should show the books to you first, right? Because I have to put these also here. Okay, let's do that. Okay, the first book that I have here is the Prince Harry Spare, and it is an autobiography of his, and I'm so excited to read this. All I know is about Prince Harry, and look at him, he's so cute over here. And I know nothing about this life he had. I just knew he had some struggles, and yeah, I will be reading this very, very soon. I have You have reached Sam. How do you move forward when everything you love is on the line? You have reached Sam by Dustin Tao. And look at the cover and look at the freaking sprayed edges, dude. Beautiful. I just know this book is sad. I don't read sad books, but for this, I'm kind of excited because everyone was talking about it, and I just want to know what the deal is. And I found this cute book, so I bought it because of the sprayed edges. Yeah, that sprayed edges convinced me to buy. And then Sahil got me for Christmas. He got me two books. I'm gonna show you first and second part of it. And they both are not in hardbacks. One is the paperback and one is in hardback, because I couldn't find both in paperback or both in hardback. So I settled for this because I wanted sprayed edges. It's so beautiful. Fourth Wing. I am so excited to read it this year. It's in my 2025 reads, and just that. I know nothing about it. I have not seen any videos about it because I don't want to be spoiled. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful book. I will show you the second one when I'm organizing because it's not here. We have spectacular novella. This is the Cannibal series. I've posted my Cannibal series, whole series I read within a week, and I've posted the video. You can check it out if you want. And I ordered the novella finally, and it came, and it was so beautiful, illustrated with all the pretty images. Cannot wait to read it. I thought I would read it in around Christmas because it is a Christmas novella, but it doesn't matter. I read it even if it's not Christmas. It's so beautiful though. Ooh, that scared me. Then we have If We Were Villains by ML Rio. I heard freaking amazing things about it, and it is such a beautiful book. It also has pictures, which I love, and the cover is also very beautiful. Look at it. It's a limited edition version, which I found because it's really hard to find limited edition books in India. I don't know why. We also want to read books. I don't know why. Beautiful books too. It's really hard to find them, but it's okay. I found this one and it's so pretty. All I know, this is pretty, and this is dark academia. I've never read that such kind of genre before. Those are all the books, 5 books I got, and now I've unboxed them and showed it to you. Let's do this. Let's tackle this issue. And I don't know, Let's just think as we go, because I want it to be like, also bought this out of getting out of topic, but I want to do some Valentine's theme. Oh, I'm so excited for this. So I bought pink stuff. Let's see how many trinkets do I have. Do not have a lot, but let's get started now. Officially we're getting started with this. I want to do this section first, because this will be my fantasy section, and I'm gonna do more limited edition books right here, because these three sections are gonna be most what people will see, what you guys will see, because I film sitting down on the floor. I like that way. And yeah, let's get all my fantasy book. Those are all the fantasy books that I picked out. Maybe there's more I have to find. I'm listening to Better Than the Movie. All the fantasy books that I have right here. And now I'm gonna do all my romances over in these two. I just remembered I forgot to show you two more things that I got for Christmas. This is a book memories book nook. I have never made a book nook, and I was so excited when Sahil got me this. It's so beautiful. I cannot believe we found it, and it was expensive, but I hope it will be worth it. So this is a book nook which I'm not gonna make today, but I'm just gonna show you how pretty this is. Look, it's beautiful. And I forgot to show you, I have more books. More. Wait. I forgot about all these. I bought all these and I forgot about them. Okay, let's unbox. Thinking I'm gonna do reading Colleen Hoover for a week straight, and I bought so many Colleen Hoover books. Ugly Love, Ugly Love, November Rain, Confess, and Hopeless. So I bought 4 Colleen Hoover, and then one Love and Other Words. Beautiful. I love this cover, by the way, by Christian Lauren. Never read her books before. Hope will be good. Then I bought Happy Place by Emily Henry. I read, which book did I read? Beach Read. Freaking amazing. So I bought more, and I don't know anything about it, as always. I just buy because of Book Talk. Book Talk has me buying books here and there. And okay, this one, and then one more by Emily Henry. That is Funny Story. Look at it, it's so pretty. Okay, let's do this section. I'm gonna put these two for my romances. I'm gonna put maybe hardcovers over here. I don't know if I have a lot of hardcovers for romances though. Let's see. And yeah, I don't know what I'm thinking. Let's just make a Colleen Hoover section first, okay? Since I have so many of hers. No. I'm gonna cry. My Lego just fell that I made yesterday. Oh my god, this is a disaster. I made it again. Oh my god, it broke into pieces, dude. I'm gonna put it on the side very carefully. So, I was doing my Colleen Hoover section, okay? One more Colleen Hoover. Also forgot to show you I got Daisy Hates, and I did a reading vlog on the first one. I'm gonna do a whole Daisy Hates vlog. I think I'll be dividing it into 2 sections, and I'm loving this series, loving it. I'm gonna put this trinket right here. I hope it doesn't fall again. The romance section for right now. I'm gonna put that Prince Harry book over there only because I put self-help books and the autobiographies in my room. I have a section for that. Don't wanna. So for right now, it's gonna be there. And let's do my thriller section. That will be the bottom. I've put carousel over here because carousel. Okay. Now this is all done. I'm just gonna decorate it. I do not have a lot of things. I will make Legos. I have them, but I've not made them yet. So for now, I will decorate it with whatever I have. I have this good vibes, which I will put right here. I've put it's okay in the Colleen Hoover section because Colleen Hoover makes me cry. Over here, I've put the carnival one, the carousel. I have this candle which is not pretty, but okay, it will do for right now. I'm gonna put it right there. I want something for over here. We can put this right here. No, I like this right here. Okay, so I have put this beautiful bookmark. It's a nice box over here. Why? Oh my god, that is annoying. It's these 2 candles which does not work, but it's okay. Right by this side, I have this planter which I'm gonna put right here. This planter over here. Hey, I like it. I have this which does not have any bookmarks right now, but I put bookmarks in this. There's no place for this. Let's put it at the back. I'm gonna make Legos and I think I'm gonna put it over here, but right now this video is done. I'm gonna show you a close-up. Okay, first up we have Prince Harry, which I'm liking it over there, so I will maybe not will move it, and that planter. And then we have you have reached Sam and that cutie. This cutie is not being okay. Let's put it right here. And then this I'm not taking name of every book. This is Emily Henry section. I'm gonna grow my Daisy Hits section. I don't know then where this will go. That's a future me problem. So no, I'm not gonna think about it. And this is the Colleen Hoover section. Then this is not color coordinated, but okay. And that and Twisted Games, and I know these are parts, but it's okay. They can stay apart for some reason. And then Catherine Center. And then this is Fourth Wing, Iron Flame, Powerless. Because I've not put this because why would you do that to me? Wishing Game. And then Akatar. I'm gonna put something cute over here which will match the vibe of Akatar, but I do not have anything like that. Okay, and then If We Were Villain, this beautiful. I love those limited edition covers. Then I have all these. I thought I'll put like hardcovers over here only, but clearly those will not fit, so it will be okay. I've put these two Divine Rivals here, and then these paperbacks. I'm kind of liking the vibe of it. And then the Carousel series, and I've put a carousel not a carousel, a carousel, because okay, vibes. And then Assistant to the Villain, very cute book. And then this is my Holly Jackson section, then the natural section, then all of these standalones, and then all the Frida books that I have, and these standalones. Yes, I am done. I'm so done. This is my cute bookshelf, and I am so happy that I finally did it. I did not chicken out. My new filming area unlocked. This is the only cute filming area that I have, and I've attempted to make that, but that's all I can do. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys with more. Bye.